This video tutorial is going to show you how to report final grades for students at BGSU through the Canvas portal, translating their grades into the PeopleSoft portal. Unfortunately, the grades that are appearing in the Canvas portal are not the official grades that are being reported to BGSU registration records. So we have to manually input the grades from Canvas to PeopleSoft. And to begin, you're going to start in the My BGSU portal by logging in. And once you do your login, you'll click on the tab across the top for Faculty so that you can enter into the Faculty Center. The Faculty Center is then here, and then when you select that, Faculty Center will show up and you have an option to see your tab for your Faculty Center, which includes all of your courses and rosters. You also have an Advisor Center where you could search and look up student information, and you can search for classes within this tab here across the top. Beginning in the Faculty Center, you'll notice that your schedule shows the fall. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow here. I'm going to go back. The Faculty Center here shows the fall semester 2016, where you may change the term, and you could also look at your exam schedule. Within the Faculty Center, you'll see courses that you are the official instructor of record. The example that I'm going to use is a midterm grade report roster, and I will show you that you can, the course that I'm teaching at this time is a 16-week course rather than an 8-week, and to begin, you can see the pop-up here for the class roster, which lists the students. The icon next to that is the official grade roster. Select the grade roster, and there you will see a listing of all the students in the course who are currently enrolled. Within this panel, you have options to look at the students themselves, report their grades here on the grade roster, and also select the roster type. In this case, it is going to be a midterm grade report. In the grade roster action piece, there is an asterisk here for the approval status. This is an important element to officially submit the grades through the PeopleSoft system into the Registration Records Office of BGSU. Let's quickly take a look at, across the top here, I have a tab set up for my course that I am teaching, the undergraduate EIEC 3150. In the left navigation bar, you can find the actual grades, which is the listing of grades and projects that students have been completing at this point in the semester. I'm going to scroll all the way over to the final percentages, where I can see at this point in time the majority of the students are at a 90% or higher. I have no students who are really standing out as issues in this particular course at this point in time. There are some that are a little lower scoring than others. But at this point in time, they are not alarming issues where I need to send off a red flag. So what I will do is return to my grade roster, and for every student in the class, I could actually select the actual grade that they will be receiving at this point in the semester. Again, midterm grade is being reported. An option exists for me as well. Since everyone is above the 90%, I can actually select all the students. You see the left navigation here, the left option is checked off for the blue check mark, and then I can actually add the grade of A to all the selected students, and this is now automatically populated for the letter grade of A. It just saves a couple of keystrokes. Next, note at the bottom there is a save option, and I'm going to select save, and then I scroll back up to the top and find again the grade roster action panel. And I'm going to select the approved status. You have unsaved data on this page. Navigation tabs and links are temporarily disabled. You may select, and I am using Firefox, and this may be an issue inside this particular browser, but I am going to enable the tabs and the links, and I'm going to save my changes. Once this has been done, the status is now approved and saved, and the roster shows that I can no longer change these student midterm grades. The same will be the case for the final grade report. Then at the very bottom of the list, you'll have another save option. I just click it because of the way the sequencing works with inside. And right now I'm looking for the option to post. down at the bottom, when you are reporting final grades, this may be just the way it is now for the midterm grades where I'm saving. Students can actually see that they are currently earning an A in the class. For final grades, the option at the bottom, instead of save, it will say post. Unless you click this post, your grades will not be officially reported in BGSU's Registration and Records Office. In other words, you must select the option to post, or else you will not have final grades recorded. So at this point in time, I'll conclude the tutorial, and hopefully this gives you enough information to move forward with posting your final grades.